Live, local, late breaking. You're watching KOLD News 13 live at 6.
That became national and international news last night, and we were one of the largest enrolling clinical trial sites in the country.
Now at 6, it's the state's largest clinical trial for COVID-19 treatment, and it's right here in Tucson. Good evening. Thanks for joining us tonight. I'm Brooke Wagner.
And I'm Dan Mares. The company behind the trial says one of the drugs being tested is showing promising results. KOLD News 13's Jasmine Ramirez got an up-close and personal look at the clinic to learn more about the potential treatment and its effect on COVID-19 patients.
Dr. Anita Coley is suiting up before entering the room where COVID-19 patients are testing out treatment drugs. She has a background in infectious disease and has trained in Dr. Anthony Fauci's labs.
And I actually think a treatment will be available far sooner than a vaccine will, making this an even more important thing to look into.
AZ Liver Health is holding clinical trials for people with the virus. Patients receive an infusion of the antibody drug and are followed for 30 days.
Our monoclonal antibodies like these have been used in other kinds of disease processes where they've shown to be effective. So now pharmaceutical companies are developing monoclonal antibodies to target COVID in particular.
She says a pharmaceutical company just announced yesterday one of the drugs seems to be effective.
This was a clinical trial made by a company called Regeneron. It's a trial that we have here, and the data has shown that this drug can actually increase the clearance of this virus from your body, so make it clear the virus faster.
Tucson has one of the biggest Regeneron clinical trial sites in the country. These are vials of blood from COVID-19 patients who are currently taking the treatment drugs. Next, these vials will be sent off to a central lab for further analysis. The clinic is also testing an FDA-approved drug that's already used in hospitals to treat COVID patients. Now they're looking to see its effectiveness on people with the virus who have yet to be hospitalized. The race is on to find a treatment, and it won't stop until one is found.
We will continue them as long as we have good medications to offer people or until there's a therapy that's widely available here in the community.
Near Swan and Speedway, Jasmine Ramirez, KOLD News 13.
Arizona Liver Clinic is also testing to see how well a drug can stop an uninfected person from getting the virus if they live with a COVID-19 patient.